You may have heard of the World Burping Federation, which organizes international burp competitions. But have you ever heard that burping has virtually become a party staple? A YouTube video of one of the winners delivering an 18-second long burp is even more impressive, but some of us are still a little embarrassed by belching. However, letting a good burp out after you've had a large meal is nothing you should be ashamed of, as it helps relieve the gaseous pressure in your stomach. Suppressing a belch and keeping gas in your stomach, on the other hand, may cause gastric acid to build up.